Today I will show you how to make a transparent background on paint.net. The fastest way to do it is just pick up this magic tool here. You press this and you press on the background. And up here you see the tolerance. You can drag this up and down and it decides how much you want to take away. So if I have like this and I delete, we only see this. But I can press the background and drag here to have like the Like this is almost perfect. And we press delete. Press the delete key on the keyboard. And if you see here, it's a little bit, you can maybe delete this by going like this. Or you can play around with this and get it perfect. So play around with it. But this is the most fastest tool you could use. Just mark it, drag this, and delete, and you have a background.